fans na naghihintay sa'yo sa TV, teleserye, meron pa ba ang chance?
Next year.
Meron.
Next year, meron na tayo, balik teleserye na tayo. But again, sabihin ko, pag everything's final na, mayroon kasing pangunahan. Pero
Hindi mo
meron.
naman siya iiwan.
No. Again, I'm doing a lot of things in the industry, on and off the industry. Pero one thing is true to me and that's my heart as an actor. Walang makakatanggal man sa akin. Wow! Maraming salamat po. Actually, kinilig ako na ganun yung naging reception ng MTRCB and it was rated PG by all of them. Kahit medyo may mga scenes tayo dito na hindi pambata pero they still gave us that rating. So maraming salamat po and this is kasi naniniwala po kami as mga creatives and creators of projects na ang pelikula ay isang avenue para maipakita sa tao at mabuksan muli at maipaalala sa kanila kung paano nga ba mamuhay ng tama. So, yun yung trabaho natin, trabaho po siyempre rin ng media, ng press, is to itama ang mali. Lahat ng mali sa mundo. And this avenue that we have right now is our platform to showcase and empower people by watching our content.
The expectation mo na sa Netflix to re-release mas wider yung audience?
Yes, opo. I mean, yun nga po, right now din kasi parang just to, give time for the Philippine cinema pa rin to pick up. Parang mas madali kasi sa pagpuproduce po ng pelikula for theatrical, may formula kasi siya eh. Kasi of course, may marketo ka, magpabibilin mo yung tao ng tickets, and kailangan, kung ano yung gusto nila, yun yung ibigay natin. But right now kasi with Netflix and with all the other platforms that we have right now, somehow may free hand ka to do all the things that's inside your head na mga contents and storytellings and stories that you wanna tell na walang sinusunod na formula. So, for me, the reason why Netflix yung napili namin is this is a very sensitive topic. This is a very socially relevant content. And I think it's best to put it in the platform to reach more audience globally.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Maraming salamat po. Thank you.